Once again, I find myself just inches away from danger at the top of a waterfall. And, woo! That's a long way down. YOLO! This is not good on my back. But it was a long way up and that's a long way down, and you know, what are you gonna do? Here comes Brian. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? I can't see him. Oh, okay, well, oh, there he is. Wave, Brian. He's coming. He's a little slow. He's not quite as agile as his hot fiance. Oh, he picked me a what? I don't know what that is. What is that? What is that, Brian? Oh, Lord, I think he's found marijuana in the woods in Washington. Well, just when I thought this was going to be G-rated, kids. We took a turn into PG-13. Do not fall in. Do not fall in. Happy Memorial Day.